Hello students, welcome in your English online class. We are going to continue our future continuous tense and today it's turn of exercise number 18.21. So let's start the exercise. In this sentences, we have to make correct use of future continuous tense. So at first place we are having she said that she dash to contact me. In option the verb is trying. She will be trying to. She said that she will be trying to contact me. In second one, when she comes, we dash our lesson. In bracket, we are having learn. When she comes, we shall be learning. In case of less space here, we can write it here. We shall be learning our lessons. In third sentence, we are having at 2 p.m. the children dash a documentary film. In bracket, we are having verb watch. It is our planned future. It is an arrangement. At 2 p.m. the children will be watching. We will fill here will be watching. Will be watching a documentary film. At number 4, the women dash cards at the party tonight. In bracket, we are having play. The women will be playing. The women will be playing cards in the party tonight. At number 5, at 10 p.m. the train dash through the longest tunnel. We are having action word is pass. The train will be. At 10 p.m. the train will be passing. 10 बजे ट्रेन टनल से लॉन्गेस्ट टनल से पास हो रही होगी. At number 6, I dash this book by tomorrow evening. Finish. Now I shall be finishing. It's our simple continuing action. I shall be finishing. At number 7, we are having when you reach Shimla, it dash there snow. It will be snowing there. When you reach Shimla, it will be snowing. It will be snowing there. वहाँ it is certain. It will be snowing there. At this time tomorrow, I dash by air. I in bracket we are having travel. I shall be. At this time tomorrow I shall be traveling. I shall be traveling by air. When you reach Panipat, it dash there. Rain. It will be raining there. It will be raining. It will be raining there. At number 10, when you next meet him, जब आप उससे अगली बार मिलेंगे, he dash his school uniform. तब वो इतना बड़ा हो चुका होगा कि वो he will be wearing his school uniform. He will be wearing will be wearing his school uniform. Next is, in a few years computers dash human beings. Substitute. Computers will be substituting. Computers will be substituting. Computers will be substituting human beings. We dash in a minute. Fasten your safety belts. Now in option take off. We will be taking off. We फ्लाइट टेक ऑफ करती है ना बेटा. We will be taking off in a few minutes. हम ही कुछ ही मिनट में हम उड़ान भर रहे होंगे. नेक्स्ट इज, अवर कॉलेज डैश सम न्यू courses next year. In bracket we are having verb start. Our college will be starting next month. My brother dash to this part of India. Come. My brother will be coming to this part of India. I dash at the bus stand. Wait. I shall be waiting. I shall be waiting at the bus stand. At number 16, we are having she dash tea when you knock the door. She will be making tea. She will be making tea when you knock the door. They dash beautiful toys. They will be making beautiful. If you are having less space, you can utilize the upper one. Making beautiful toys. In the absence of teacher, they dash noise. Make. They will be making. In the absence of teacher, they will be making noise. So this was your exercise number 18.21. I hope it's quite clear to you. Keep on practicing, students. Thank you. Good.